Good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday the 27th of January. I hope you had a lovely long weekend and you had lots of fun in the snow. So today we're going to carry on with some of our work on learning how to change some nouns into plurals. But before we do that, we know that we have some words that we've got to practice. So these are our Year 2 common exception words. So let's read them together. We have got gold, many, could, people, both, because, old and mind. So you're going to practice spelling those 8 words and then you can move on to what we're going to be learning today. All right, so down here I've got our rule for today. So I know on Friday, which seems like a long time ago, you would have been learning how to add es onto plurals. Okay, so the rule for today is you're going to be changing the y on the end of some words to an I and then adding es to make it plural, to make the noun plural. So plural means more than one. Now, the words that we're going to be looking at today, okay, the letter before the y are all consonants. So can you remember that we have 5 vowel sounds, okay, and the rest are consonants. So in these words, I'm going to point out the consonants, and then that means that we know to change the y to an I and add es. So if we have got the word family, we want to make that noun into a plural. So I'm going to change the y, okay, I'm going to change it to an I and add es. So it's families, okay. If we've got cherry, the is my consonant before my y, so I know I've got to change my y to an I and add es, cherries. Over here, this is a little bit similar. We've got berry, so the the is my consonant and it's before my y, so I know I've got to take my y off, change it to an I and add es. And my last word is party. Now I want to change this to parties. So my t is a consonant, so I know that I've got to take my y off, change it to an I and add es. So it becomes parties. Okay. So you're going to have a look at these words today and you're going to practice changing the y to an I and adding es. So you've got puppy, try, poppy, lady, fly, spy, city, nappy, worry and penny. So all of these words have a consonant before the y at the end, okay? So that will help you to know that you change your y to an I and then add es. And when you've practiced doing that to those words, why not have a go at writing a sentence with some of those words in? So I've written one down here and it says, my friend always tries to help me feel better when I am sad. Okay, so have lots of fun and enjoy.